Hi, my name is Ashley Risch, and this is my lab number 6 Apache web server and free DNS lab, or at least this is my attempt. I had a lot of trouble with this lab as well. I reached out to some classmates, some things we were able to figure out, some things I still wasn't able to do, and I'm not quite sure if I'm not doing it right or if it's because of the computer I'm on. First of all, I tried to do it on my Mac and had zero to no luck. I had much more success using the PC, so that's why I'm on here. But at the same time, this is my father's PC from his work, because that's everyone I know has a Mac. But some things I'm not allowed to do because he does not have administrative access. So first thing I did was, because the Apache install that was described in the lab was really outdated, I went to the archive and I downloaded this one right here, the 2.2.25, and it said 2013, so it looks like that was just the most updated one. So I thought hopefully that would be a good one to use. So we can see here, if I go to the start menu, there's Apache. Also here it is. And what I then tried to do is I tried to go configure Apache, and this is where I kind of ran into trouble with it. So I tried to have it listen to this computer's IP address, and when I went to go save it, click save, and I'll replace, and it says access denied. And I don't know if what I'm doing is wrong or it's just because, again, my dad doesn't have administrative rights. So, but I did install Apache. Don't save. And it is working. If we go here to 127.0.0.1, it says it works. Also, if we go and type in just localhost, it says the same thing, it works. So the firewall connection's coming in. Also, here's my router, and we can see I did set up my port forwarding for 80 for the firewall. So that was pretty much as far as I could get with Apache. So then I tried to start moving on to the free DNS. I went to the recommended one in the lab, which I have tried to use before in another class, and I had no luck. But I figured I would try again. I made 2 subdomains, and I made them at the beginning of last week, so at least 5 days ago, because I know it said it can take a while for it to start working. But if we do go to either of the domains, it says connecting. It says it for a while, and then nothing ever happens. It just gets an error because it doesn't actually go anywhere. So then I talked to a classmate, and she said she had luck with the biz.nf. So I went there and created an account, a free one, and created a subdomain. Then I went in and I created an index.html, and here is the code I did. So we can see that I have written that. And then when you go to ashleyer.co.nf, this is the web page now. So I just have a little welcome banner, networking, I just have my name, when I created it, that it's for my this networking class, it's for lab number 6, put a Kent State image, and then I also did a link to Kent State, so that we could see that I do know how to write HTML. And actually, I really do like writing in HTML. So that's as far as I could get. Of course, the goal would be to somehow configure my Apache to kind of host my page, but that's just not going to happen. So at least not today. So if you have any recommendations, or you know how to fix kind of where I'm going wrong, or maybe I'm not going wrong, that would be great to know. But otherwise, thank you so much, and I think this is actually going to be my last lab, since we don't have to do 7 or 8, which is good because I've actually tried them both and had a lot of trouble. So thank you so much for watching my videos and helping me with all the trouble I had. I appreciate it so much. Have a great day. Bye.